Hi there, Bob Gager here with another installment of Ask Bob, where I get to answer questions posed by Photoshop Elements users. Today's questions comes from Ian Sayer via our Facebook page. Ian asks, I have Organizer 11 and I have several pairs of people that I want to merge so that I only have one group of photos for each person's name. How do I merge them? Well, Ian, it's pretty easy. Here I've got the Photoshop Elements 11 organizer, and I'm going to switch to People View. Now I'm making a little bit of an assumption because I don't know what is in your Elements organizer, but I'm guessing what's happened here is you've got a couple stacks where it's the same person. As an example, here I have a stack of photos for my son Andy, and if I switch back to People, I've also got this stack, which is also Andy, with a couple pictures of Andy. Now the way this situation was created is that if I imported from a previous version of Elements and had created people tags not using the face recognition feature, I would end up with this group of photos, right? These I manually tagged with an Andy people tag. And if I had used the face recognition feature, I would have ended up with this set of photos, which are a bunch of photos of Andy that were found using face recognition. So I'm assuming that's what you're asking about, so let's just go ahead and merge these together. And it's actually pretty easy. What I want to do is go into this stack where this was created using the manual people tag method, and just drag over all of the photos that are in this particular stack of photos of Andy. And so they're selected. You can see the blue rectangles around them showing they're selected. Just right click on one of them and come down here to the menu where it says Add Person. Go ahead and select Add Person and start typing. So I'm going to type Andy, A-N-D, and you can see it's automatically filtered my list of people down to just those who start with the word Andy. And you can see both of those people tags in here. So this is Andy Gager, the one that was taken or created with the face recognition feature. And then here's just this Andy tag that was manually created. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one and click Add. And Elements will tell me that it's successfully done that. And just close this little window here. Now I haven't deleted these, right? These still have the Andy standalone tag assigned to it. But you'll notice if I switch back to People and open up this stack, here are those two photos now added to the Andy Gager stack based on face recognition. So at this point I can come back here to People, I can right click on this stack and say remove this person, and it's going to go ahead and remove this collection of photos and remove that manually created people tag, and I've got this stack of Andy all based on the face recognition feature, and here are those two photos. So let's do that again real quickly. I've got another stack here. So here is my daughter Alyssa. A bunch of pictures of Alyssa that have been found with face recognition. Back to People. Here are some shots of Alyssa that I manually created an Alyssa tag for. Again, I just drag over all of my photos, right click on one of them, add a person. In this case I'll type Alyssa, select that other Alyssa Gager tag, and click Add. She's successfully been added, and now I can come back to my People View, open up this stack, and you can see here are those three photos that we just added. Back to my People View, click on this stack. I don't need it anymore. I'm just going to say remove this person. Yes, and then that stack is gone, and just as easy as that, I've been able to merge multiple stacks of people together into one. Hope that's what you were asking about, and take care.